Hi, my name is Nikki and this is NixPix, and I thought what I'd share with you today is our cargo camper conversion. It's been a while since I did my first video on this, and we finally got to take it camping for the first time in Fort Wilderness. So I thought, what better time than now to go ahead and do a tour. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the Horton Hauler 20-foot cargo conversion. We'll start up here at the front in the V. This is where we keep our food, our little pantry area, you might say. We have this nice built-in cabinet that we got and just attached to the wall. Here's where we keep our recycled napkins from fast food areas. It's a nice little storage unit. Got this great little cute all-in-one. I can't wait to get to use it. Got an oven. Fun. And down in here we just have some more storage. Over here is our vacuum and our instant hot water sink, which is great. Works wonderful. It just drains down into a bucket. We've got this great fridge. Doesn't take much energy whatsoever. It's really got room for just about anything that you would need. This side area here, right above where we keep our backup system, is the built-in that my husband made. A little magazine holder, some curtains I made. This couch folds out into a sleeper, and if you're snugglers, you can definitely fit 2 people on there. Over here is our couch, but it can also be a bed. We just take that cushion off the back. Down on the floor here, you'll see where we tie down our golf cart. And we bring it in. Like I said, my husband did just about all of the custom work in here except for the one cabinet. And we love our Roku TV. Works really well. Here our little ledge folds up to allow for the golf cart to enter. The homemade bench. The one thing we did do was we did have somebody custom make a cushion for us. And this is great because you can pull this bench with the cushion over it right over to where the couch is, and it extends that and gives you a little bit more room as a bed. It's the same height. Underneath here we've got some nice lighting, some nice little boxes to hide all of our cords. We've got some more storage up top. Built-in laundry basket. And this is great for organizing all the little things that you might want to grab and not have to look for. Our toilet, which works wonderfully. All of our bathroom accessories that we may need. More curtains that I made. Here we have a lot more. We have 2 AC units in this camper, and when you live in Florida and you park somewhere where there is no shade, you will need those 2 units. Plus, it's always nice to have a backup when you're just using one. And more storage up top here. Little nets where we can keep our clothes. Underneath this bed is a storage, and everything that you see outside fits in there. Everything you see here. So you have the Gazelle pop-up with chairs, all of the camping equipment, the stove, the oven. And the homemade canopy that we made.
If you stayed to the end and you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Maybe check out that playlist right there. And we'll see you real soon.